Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to how to make a real set time set application using PHP with MySQL and JavaScript. Let's start this video. Already my Gem server started, Apache and MySQL I started. Let this close. This is my YouTube channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This playlist real chat application in PHP. Already 5 video uploaded in this video in 6 video. This my Gem server folder inside htdoc folder. This my project name PHP setup. Open the Sublime text editor. This project successfully open Sublime text editor. This project double click this open. Let this folder run localhost PHP set app. Successfully good working this logout. Already login this logout successfully good working this register form. Successfully working this project index file. Let's start step by step. First of all, localhost PHP my admin open. Successfully open this PHP latest version. Let's PHP insert config PHP this my database name PHP setup underscore db. This my database user table and message table. This login successfully this login abcxyz@gmail.com password 1234567889. This successfully login. Let's check password 1234567889. This password and login successfully. This xyz this online successfully. Let's refresh this browser. Successfully online. This online status available. Let's start this search icon step by step. First of all, open user.php file. Let's start user.php file. Successfully open this icon search bar. Select an user to start set this writing. Successfully FFA search icon this search and let's start step by step all set. First of all, new file create script src js user.js. Successfully this file new file create. File name is user.js. JS folder inside not available. Let's check. JS folder open. This my project. JS folder open not a file available. This file name. Let's create JS file. Successfully create user.js. Successfully create. Let's check. Successfully available this file blank file. Let's start step by step code add. First of all, new variable create const search box bar. This new variable create is equal to document dot query sector dot open user.php. This class name search name inside this input dot and this input. First search box in input. Successfully add input search icon is equal to document dot query sector dot search button. This copy inside this button available. This button paste here. Successfully add this file add inside this JS folder inside user.php. Let's check JS inside. users list is equal to document dot query sector dot user list. This copy class name users underscore list. This search icon, copy search icon dot on click is equal to search bar copy this already create dot class list dot toggle show. Copy and paste here and name change this icon name. Search icon class list toggle active. This variable already create and paste here focus. If condition, if this copy name and dot contains active, search bar dot value is equal to the blank, this value blank. Search bar class list remove this add and remove this active. Copy name and paste here this active. Next search bar copy this first search icon, next search bar copy on key up on key up let's new variable create search term is equal to search bar name copy dot value. If condition, if search term is equal to null not equal to blank, else part search bar copy value class list remove this active, and if part search bar dot class list add this active. If condition close and new if create, let's new variable create xr is equal to new, this new variable create successfully add the xsr. Open post method means search new file create PHP folder inside search.php true. xr dot on load if xr dot ready state is equal to this name copy and paste here done. if xr dot status 200 let data is equal to xr response. User list, new variable create user list dot nl html is equal to data return. xxr dot set request header. This xr request header content type application x www form user url land encoded url. xr dot send this search team. Copy this variable and paste here. Is search team is equal to plus search team. Successfully add the set. All set. This writing all code writing step by step. New file create PHP inside this file create PHP inside search PHP not available search PHP. Let's check PHP folder open not available search PHP. Let's create search PHP. Successfully create search PHP this blank file. Let's check search file this blank file. Let's start step by step writing this code search PHP. This PHP writing this code. PHP start session start include once config.php. This file add config database file. This database file add this config include. This file search file include. New variable create outgoing underscore id is equal to underscore session. This variable session name is this user PHP and create this session user underscore id unique id. New variable create search team term MySQL query except this $con this config open this config PHP this con add this file include $post and set this post method js file open this post method this post method search PHP inside this post. This search team, this variable already add search team, copy this variable search team, include this variable set, this name set. New variable create SQL is equal to select from this table name, open this database name, this user table, this project inside this user table, copy here and paste here, where not unique ID, this where not unique ID, this unique ID, copy this is equal to this ID dollar outgoing ID add, and this app name add, this app name set, like percentage close, and this variable paste here. Successfully set this variable. Or lname, like this, copy and paste here. Search team successfully to first name and lname to this add and or. Close this. New variable create in blank variable output is equal to blank. New variable create query MySQL query this con, this connection inside this con add, this con copy inside this file, include this con add, and this variable create already $SQL this add. If MySQL number row, this $query $0 else part, include this new file create includes one data.php. This variable already create our $output and paste here this HTML no user found related to your search team term. Successfully add this echo return, echo $output return. Let's close this. This new file create data.php inside this image hide this data.php file create. Let's create this data.php file. This create php inside data.php. Successfully create this data.php, this blank file. Successfully create this blank file. Hello, save file, all file save, and refresh this browser. Click this good working source. Let's check this name add, this name any add, error solution test demo abc and z. Let's hello available, this name available hello, good working. Refresh this not user found this table this available this. Let's check this error test add test means test successfully hello available. In this not available this 0 0 add 0 this user not found team successfully good working. Demo this available this hello. Let's start step by step. Add this data PHP file, open and set. PHP start while $row new variable create my session this query already create this search bar create this query include this new variable create this query inside this query set this query inside this include this query. New variable create $SQL 2 select from this table message table. Let's start this message table. Copy message table close this message table, copy name and paste here where incoming ID incoming message ID successfully add is equal to $row Control Z successfully add this $row. Copy this $row unique ID add or outgoing this outgoing ID outgoing message ID is equal to again this add this copy and paste here and outgoing ID add is equal to $outgoing ID. Let's search this file, open this outgoing ID, copy this ID and paste here successfully add and or incoming ID this incoming message ID is equal to again this outgoing ID add successfully set order by message ID this message ID copy this message ID descending limit 1 and save. All successfully set. This or condition this or and this or successfully add. New variable create $query 2 is equal to MySQL query this con available already gone, and SQL copy this name and paste here this query, copy and to successfully add. $row2 to new variable create MySQL paste assert name this $query 2. MySQL number of row this query 2, copy this name and to $result new variable create $result row2 copy $row2 img this message, this name, copy this message, add, successfully shared dot $result name copy, already create this variable, copy and paste here, no message available. Let's now create strlen this result, already create this variable and paste here 28 message, this $message create new variable message, create new variable and sub tr $result to 0 and 28 this add dot $message this variable already create $message is equal to $result. Result if condition start, if condition assert $row2 copy outgoing message, this outgoing message copy and paste here, else part create, else part create, successfully create outgoing id, copy this outgoing and paste here, outgoing id is equal to $row2 to outgoing message id. New variable create u is equal to u, u is equal to, let's check this close, and this u copy is equal to blank. $row already create row status, add this offline name is equal to offline now, $offline and offline dot dollar offline. Successfully offline is equal to blank. Dollar outgoing id, copy this outgoing id, copy and paste here, is equal to dollar row, only row unique id. This new variable create head name, me is equal to head dot dollar head and me is equal to this set. Already variable new create, output new variable create, output underscore a link and a link close. sref is equal to this set dot php user id is equal to single quote dollar row unique id. Div create div close this, div create and div close class content, class content image image src is equal to this image blank. This php folder inside this php folder inside this image folder, php folder inside image, this dynamic set. Dollar row img lt div class is equal to details span dot dollar row this database ftime dot dollar row l name, this database field name l name, this database field name, user table open, successfully open user table, this field f name and l name, successfully add this p tag add p tag dot dollar u, already variable create u, this u create already and dot dollar message. This message create, copy and dollar message paste here. Successfully add div. This div create new div. Div create class status status dot dollar offline. Already variable create. This offline add, let's check this offline add I and I class is equal to fa circle add and file save. All file save, step by step writing all code. All set. This search file all set. User.js file all step by step writing this code. And this file include. And this file save, successfully add. This refresh, this page successfully add. This refresh. Thus let's start user search. This user is not available. This user not available. Fname not available. This name add Colorado. This add close this variable row to fline data 9. Check wait this f9 save. Syntax error data PHP 9 line. Let's save data PHP number 9. Check this, close this missing. Successfully this SQL2 missing. Let's save and refresh. Good working. This demo add search demo good working. This demo message available. This add this page add less state not available. This message set this name set this page set. Wait this message add. Let's save file and refresh browser. Let's successfully add demo. This no message available. Let's paste remove this no message available. Let's step by step this successfully no message available. Offline status. This comment in delete and set this not good working. This successfully working. Control Z and refresh this browser. Successfully no message available. All good working. Good working, not message available any dot. Successfully good set this. Next video this user PHP. This next video this new file create and step by step add. All step by step add. P tag u. This is add any name. This add name copy and paste here, successfully available. This no message available. Yep, no message available. This page add, successfully page add and save and demo, successfully page add, all good. This name, first name, last name and no message available. Successfully add this page, this data.php, this page add and this page add, all set step by step. This file successfully good working. This user live search. This offline means offline, online means online. To this user offline, available offline. Now let's check this online user, this offline user, this offline, this offline user, this online user, this ADCS, this online user, this copy and paste, this online user. Successfully good working. This logout good working and sign in good working. This all set, successfully working. Please my channel subscribe and click the bell icon error solution in this 6 video upload. Let's start. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.